Hello everybody, my name is Shraddha Shukla. I'm a corporate trainer and image consultant, a registered GST practitioner, and I also happen to be a teacher. Now you all must be thinking, if she's so many things, why did she get into teaching? A very simple and honest answer to that is because teaching is not a profession to me, it's my passion. Yes, I love teaching and I have been in love with teaching since a very young age. I started really early. It was 2008 since I started teaching, and I have not looked back since then. What I enjoy about teaching is that I find teaching extremely therapeutic, and it gives me immaculate pleasure to see my students grow and prosper, achieve their dreams, and be what they want to be in life. Talking about myself, I'm a new age teacher. I belong to the modern era and I completely and totally believe in digitalization. I feel it's the need of the hour. I generally don't believe in old school blackboard teaching. I try to use a lot of new teaching aids, methods, and technologies while I'm teaching. I try to make teaching more fun and interactive, where my learners can get the ultimate experience and can gain the maximum knowledge out of what I'm, teaching to them. That's always my objective for what I'm teaching. I also try to keep the sessions very much fun and interactive so that the learners don't get bored and they just don't learn for the sake of learning. They inculcate and develop some interest in the subject also. In the end, I just want to say that education is the backbone of every society, and in our country, education is going through a major reform, and I think we all need to stand together. I'm here as a part of the process, and I'd love to be of any help to any of you. I'd love to be a part of your journey and maybe learn something from you in the process. Thank you.